Hi to all Barbecue Nation nationals. From here on, I'm going to call every one of you a Barbecue Nation national because Barbecue Nation has become a nation in itself over the last 10 years. Let me tell you about this concept which was created by Sajid Dhanani, a brilliant concept which has been there since last 10 years and is one of the most popular concepts in F&B space in casual dining. The reason why this concept has become very popular is because of the engagement that you all have with the guests. Engagement at different levels, starting from welcoming them, interacting with them, checking with them about the quality of food and making them feel at home. This is the most important thing for the guest. So you must continue doing that, as guests being the most important aspect of this entire business. The reason why this concept has also been very successful is because of the beliefs that Sajid Bhai has inculcated in each and every one of you from the beginning. And you have been upholding those values and beliefs for almost 10 years. The belief, in simple word, guest is the God. Along with belief, there are values that he has inculcated very strongly. And the first being, treat the guest as he is a family member and a friend who comes home to his family after a long day's hard work, and all he needs is some love and not processes. So all you have been doing all these years, we have had reviews by the guests saying that when I come to Barbecue Nation, I feel like my mother is feeding me. Those are some of the values and reactions from the guests which go a long way. Moving on from beliefs and values, because of these two, the result is Barbecue Nation becoming #1 in casual dining space. And this wouldn't have happened definitely without two most important people. One is guest and one is you all. Being the #1 position is not very easy to sustain. And for that, believe me, it will require a lot of hard work and a lot of sacrifices. With the future of Barbecue Nation, future of yours is also attached. We would like that you have a great future, all of you, in Barbecue Nation. Today is the day of all celebrations. We have completed 10 years at Barbecue Nation, and I wish you all the best for the rest of your careers at Barbecue Nation. Thank you.
Hello everybody. Barbecue Nation की 10वीं सालगिरह पर मेरी तरफ से आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं। साजिद सर ने एक सपना देखा था जो आज पूरा होने जा रहा है। बारबेक्यू नेशन के जल्द ही 100 रेस्टोरेंट्स हो जाएंगे। ये इस तरक्की का श्रेय मैं मिस्टर कयूम धनानी और आप सभी की मेहनत को देती हूँ। आई एम प्राउड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विच स्टैंड्स आउट, dares to stand out in the crowd, and a great team to be working with. Best of luck and keep up the great work.
I'm Mansoor Memon, associated with Barbecue Nation for almost 9 years, and here we are with our 10th anniversary. So wishing you all guys a very happy decade anniversary celebrations. I hope you guys must be having a real fun time over there when you must be going through this video of ours. I've been associated from projects to operations. It has been a wonderful journey with Barbecue Nation. One thing which I would like to share with everybody is that the Barbecue Nation has taught me way to live a life. Its core values are so dear that you don't need to look around here and there. If you adhere to these core values, you will have a real happy life. I would like to thank Sajid Bhai for giving such a wonderful opportunity to work along with him and for giving Barbecue Nation to India and in future to the world. So wishing you again a very happy decade anniversary of Barbecue Nation to all family members of Barbecue Nation. Thank you.
Hi, Subhash Pandit, Barbecue Nation का ओपनिंग बैट्समैन। Barbecue Nation परिवार के सभी सदस्यों को 10वीं वर्ष गांठ का ढेर सारा शुभकामनाएं। 31 दिसंबर तक 2 करोड़ 22 लाख गेस्ट एंजॉय किया है। All the best.
Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you are having a wonderful good time. My name is Ritam. I am the regional manager for South. Extremely pleased and ecstatic to say that we have completed a decade of Barbecue Nation operations. Feels like yesterday when we started in a small restaurant called Kebabs Villa in Sayaji, Indore. The main purpose was to give customers the comfort that starters should be served warm, and that's where the novel concept of installing a grill inside the table came into existence. And I sincerely believe that with your hard work and passion that we can go a long way, although we have already enthralled 2 crore 22 lakh customers. Unbelievable. But what keeps us sticking is not the great food or the service alone, but the passion or the sense of being compassionate to our customers who walks into the restaurant. So keep up the same spirit, and I'm sure this is just the tip of the iceberg, and we have got loads to achieve moving forward. So way to go, guys. Hats off to you, and let's have a rocking year ahead. Thank you so much.
Hi all, I am Sandeep Pandey, Assistant Regional Manager with Barbeque Nation, Andhra and Telangana. Today we are celebrating the 10th anniversary of Barbeque Nation. From first store in Pali Hill in 2006 to 63 store in 2016, the journey so far has been fantastic and worthwhile. This fantastic journey has been made possible because of 2 very important reasons. One was the support and guidance of Sajid sir and his firm belief in your core values, and second is we all lived those core values, especially the being guest-centric. Thank you so much for that. I would like to thank all the Barbeque Nationites for their dedication towards guest service. Because of that, we have been able to earn the love, respect and trust of our beloved guests. Thank you so much.
Greetings of the day team. My name is Mithu, Regional Manager for Barbeque Nation West. January 28, 2016 marks a decade of celebration, guest delight, serving Dilse and vision of Barbeque Nation by Sajid sir. For that, I would like to thank each and every team member of Barbeque Nation family for making this dream come true, and also for those treasured memories of more than 2 crores 22 lakhs guests. In short, Barbeque Nation is just 10-year-old and it has just begun to dazzle. Thank you.
Hello friends, Barbeque Nation has completed 10 years. Myself Manish Pandey, Regional Manager for North India. It has been a very wonderful and exciting journey so far, and I wish every member of this family all the very best for the coming years ahead. Customer focus has been the main pillar of this organization, and we need to ensure that all our directions are towards this focus only. Thanking you all for your love and wishes for making this dream come true.
Greetings of the day. I am Suman, taking care of East as a Senior Cluster Manager. I joined in the year 2011 with 18 outlets, and today 2016 we are 63 and still counting more. I have learnt a lot from this company, both on job and outside interaction with the guests. This is a great place to work, and I am enjoying every bit working at Barbeque Nation. I congratulate the entire team of Barbeque Nation for successfully completing 10 years of service.